At your deity's head, I'm Aurigopi's wig. I'm in the process of resetting the wigs I do. I only work on resetting the wigs of my own making. So this goes for the altar deities of the temple or the home altars that have my wigs. It takes lots of hours, some days, of lots of patience, loving care, kindness in this service. If it's for home altars, I do charge. Only work with wigs that I've made. And please kindly, no Blue Tack. No need, that's horrible. And substitute Velcros that harm the thread of the hairs with flirty wires. You just glue them with hot glue where you would have the Velcro, and it makes it ideal to place a crown nicely fit on top of the wigs without no harm to the wig. At your deity's head the best. Madhuri Gopi. Hari Hari. A lot of hours. Service and charge also.